This is by Chris Good. Virtual drive capacity in the problem bird. Whose job is Banquo Foley, he makes shine and insolence, force 10 and rising. Barely an hour goes by, he swerves his automobile to kill a deer. Read Ferris wheel, read Big Dipper head highlights. Even the moonbeam gag deserts him, splits in a shower of rainbow migraine hardware. The auto-nav Jeeves weeps, junction grease obliquely into quiet time, and his vigil grace on acetate, in Lumenstedt. A phial of crystal meth, a Liberty Bell, cold snot on a heartfelt glass Ankh talisman, the Forestry Commission's extraterrestrial hoedown, and he smells his wife in a ball gown, supple as a life-size diagram of how to apply the bandage to the wound, or the wound to the body. In A&E, his pelvic trauma makes those time-lapse Florences whistle a lovelorn jingle, nobody home, and the ECG gets giggly, six up a tone burst, Opaline meets Mikado, while his headphones feed him Monster Mash and Spectre tracks. On codeine holiday, nights as quiet as socks till 3, when the reconstructive orthodontal surgeon smuggles his lap steel in for a crack at Dixie. Mirror shades check, and a groggy poolside hard-on. Why do birds suddenly appear? Oh, got it, it's the screensaver kicking in on the hyaloplasma screen above his head, the formerly known as Sky. The thoughts are pushing the barium around, the green ink autograph of Cary Grant in the glove compartment. 0 hour for the muscle thesis musters all the gay personality of lint. The gunshots bloom and calcify and shatter, and the glorious 12th is fact to the sleepy eye nightjar and the artificial lapwing. This whole bed is sprained. You can't even flex the jump leads. No more bets on the telekinetic flatline, fixed by serial Muzak in the aircon shafts. His CAT scan comes back Friday, all the first-grade colours of Baker's fondant. Orbital, deadbeat curlicues, all lonesome reels and Curlian welts and vapour trails, all Viennese whirls and fingers, ears and Fruit Loops. The ornate scripture won't admit of his fabled swimmer's build, the miracle exterior shot. He balks at the solace of vitamins without food. He scavenges reverb from asbestos Tom Thumb corridors, rests glamorous nights quackarian leaking lymph, minutely sleepless counting bosons, losing contact, ground control fucked up on gluten. Some old nun brings flowers instead of Benzedrine. There's heartbreak for remembrance, and there's falsify and night watch said to uncollapse the lung. He recalls that bash down Marie Curie's pergola, the air replete with kookaburras, and the speaking clock on strike, and Fleance got sat on by a 2-bit sumo wrestler. Later a kiss that marked him jalapeno strong, indelible or illegal, put shirt back on. A hurricane made him shy. The thought discharge, the poisoned bird, the complex fabric polymer decoy at Samaritan Edge, the memo roadkill daubed with CKB, the flare upholstery spattered with urban polycell, his photosensitive, unanticipated tears for the weekend strip hero, what with the buzz in the wind, the echo cellophane, and after you've come, serenity. Or the horse race in reverse, the mandatory Iron Age shutdown. So it all comes back to something much like a litter tray. A pair of boots to wear in your hands, a window without a wall. Ghost is a ghost, the mother without portfolio. The radar sweep and the stem cell register urge you, make Banquo fail, and make the